Namaste. I'm Paule Daro and today I'll do an online reading for you and I'll read some of my love poems. The four first ones will be in English and the second last will be in German. And it was very comfortable for me to keep these poems in my drawer and not show them so much to the public for two reasons. First, I usually write in German, and it's scary for me to show my poetry, which is written in English, a language that I don't fully master. Second, these poems force me to show my vulnerability. They are personal poems and they don't conform to the usual relationship models. Especially in these times where meeting and being with all of these wonderful people wouldn't be possible anymore, I feel that taking out my poetry could be a tribute to love, to physical touch, but mostly to heart connection and to everything that makes us human. And know that every single one of you, even you as the listener, are contained and spoken to in these verses. And feel free to recognize yourself in my poetry, because love is inclusive and infinite. So let's start. Alright. 1. Manjit and Krishna. Hridayam Mano Jayati. Heart conquers the mind. I'll keep it short, for words don't speak all tunes of my heart. I love the way you are, special. I gaze and drink and drown, for stars can't be touched. I'm not scared to shower you with my love. I'll pour my waters to your sky. My breath tastes salty, I guess. I'm the ocean woman, full of waves. Hope you can swim. I found a tamarind fruit on the full moon path, but did not crack it open yet. The only time is sunset. I love how your feet crave the sand, and how you don't withstand my lies, my gaze, and the touch of my hand. I'm a butterfly over the ocean. Your touch feels like 100 droplets of water hitting my wings, but your fragrance is calm like the sea. Your flowers an ocean to me. Your tides wash me away. In your eyes I am naked, a hummingbird hovering home, to the jungle, to the other side of the sky. We are not brother and sister, but from the same family, millionaires of love. The only time is sunset. My heart is full of foam. My thoughts, they disappear like soap bubbles hugging on pastel blue sky. I want to dissolve in kombucha dreams tied out of macrame, in honest hugging for eternity, in triangular touch of 3 souls in suspension. The only time is sunset. I'm not in love. Love is in me. Through you I can be God and free. I'll wait in our boat to grow old, Time will be our muse. Love is my excuse to be one. Naked on the shores of soul, I let go, I let go. To Fernando, the open road. The ocean is a carpet in my living room, and all of this inside of me is a wave. This is the narrative, entangled in love stories, more than just a few. My soul recognizes itself in you. On the open road, who knows when and where the story ends. Many run their lives on a mature and responsible autopilot program. But I'm not going to pretend to be older. I am 21. I am young and I still strive. In my chest I carry many unexplored forests, oceans, skies. Where in the world can I find you? In India, you say. I pray for us to meet again. In which way do you want to be loved then? Some people are gatekeepers in your life. They stand at the doorway of something, how to walk through. I see you through the door, in candlelight and incense scent, over cryptic notebooks you bend. I am happy that we can connect anyway. In the sand you sing, something in the way the way you look at me is an internal full stop. Magic potion. You are right. I see myself in you, and selflessness too. I love you, but what does it mean? It means I honor your being, your inner authority, your realness, and it would be a gift to me if I could give you a lift on the open road. 3. B. Chapter 1. What is here is everywhere. What isn't here is nowhere. On s'est rencontrés, on a parlé en français. Les premiers baisers sur tapis rouge, sur une œuvre d'art. J'ai goûté l'art de l'extase. The beginning of the world, while Mars shone his light on us. The promise of an orgy, but we did not go. Sunset view, forever I see you. Relaxed, feeling, breathing, giggling into my touch, enjoying without moving, while the world was watching and approving. Burning hearts open, je pourrais pleurer face au miracle enchaîné. Sailing with the pirates, yes, we are beautiful. Together and alone too. We look sexy in the doorway, in the tree house and on the bare earth anyway. Wild and soft, caress and choke. The taste of your lips is of stories and smoke, of people, kangaroos and the past. Only paper to connect us, only this moment to last. Vie bohème, rêve, magie, chute. I want to manifest, not project. I want to see you the way you really are. I want to love all parts of you. The ones I don't know, the ones you don't show. Your dark, unclean sides, your fears and regrets, and all the parts that don't exist yet. Because I love the manifold ways of you in the universe. I thirst, but all of this in loveness is for me first. I want to forget that I am separate. I want to recognize this joy, this love, this grace in everything else. 4b, Chapter 2. To my dreams and fantasies, because they are not as bad as it seems. One message: it's over. I love you. I don't know. I got kidnapped. Anything would do. I don't want to write a poem full of emotional bullshit, but I still carry fibers of you in my body. Vapors and little pieces of glass. Loving strokes, fears, tears, and oh so many orgasms. Smiles and the way you roll your eyes and look up somewhere between affectionate and are you serious? Deine Sternenstaubaugen und einfach so neben dir liegen. Die Grenze meiner Haut verschmilzt und ich gehe in dir auf. You weren't scared of my shine. That's what I liked, and that you create playlists for people. I stole that habit from you and others too. I advertise laziness, I avoid plastic, I pick up hair ties from the street, I nib on cacao beans, I keep hoping, I walk alone. The answer to all of my questions is, I am alive. The questions are, why am I hurting? Why is my heart simultaneously singing and swearing? What's behind the falling leaves? Except empty space, sunlight, forgiveness? Who in this world could give me a ride to Nirvana? It's hard to go there on your own. Love is so much more spacious than I thought it would be. I miss you. I miss you free. Fünftens, To. Wenn meine Küsse auf der Zunge verrecken, weil da deine Finger stecken, wenn mir die Luft im Mund abstirbt und du mich mit der anderen Hand würgst, kann ich mich endlich frei ausdrücken. Wenn ich deine Spucke schlucke und du mir an den Haaren reißt, ist alles leicht. Wenn wir spielen, ist es schamfrei und rein. Wenn du mich abhandelst, bis Beweise bleiben, mich schlägst und erniedrigst, fühle ich mich dir wertvoll und wichtig. Atme ein, atme aus, drück die Zigarette aus auf dem Beschwerdenzettel im Treppenhaus. All das ist ein gerahmtes, unfertiges Bild. Bathtub Blues, während alle dösen. Ich denke an die roten Türen. Ein Boy, süß, bildhübsch, nüchtern, wie ich. Wir kuscheln in einer Muschel. Er will mich küssen, aber ich wüsste nicht warum. Ihm fehlen die Barbie-Allüren, der Charakter. Ich bin satt. getränkt in Stracciatella-Eiscreme. Everything is fucked und vergänglich. Du zeigst dich. Die Angst, sich dem Möglichen zu öffnen. Auch ich habe Angst, zu enthüllen, wie ich fühle, wenn wir löffeln. Als besäßen wir das gleiche Alter, als wäre ich sicher und geliebt. Nichts anderes existiert, nur unsere Körper, die Hitzeströme, die durch mein Inneres feuern, das Gefühl, ganz, ganz weit weg zu sein und doch nah. Allein und im Alleinsein mit allem eins. 6. Even immer. Wie soll ich anfangen, dir etwas zu schreiben? Bei einem Anfang, wie dem deinen. Was du mir zum Geburtstag schenktest, war zu groß, um es zu entziffern. 2016, ich war jung und von der Erfahrung nur grob geschliffen. Und ich hatte Angst, in deinen Liebesgeständnissen sei leichtfertiges Ausprobieren nicht inbegriffen. Ich saß zu nahe am Bildschirm, um den Film zu sehen. Jetzt sind wir fern und ich beginne zu verstehen. Deine Haltung mir gegenüber, sie ist witterungsfest. Du weißt, worauf du dich einlässt. Egal, was ich tat oder erzählte, nichts hat dich abgeschreckt. La rareté de ma folie. Ich fühle mich sicher wie nie, wenn du mir meine Verrücktheit nicht zurechtrückst. Weiß ich, es ist mein reines Wesen, was dich entzückt. Ich saß zu nah an der Wirklichkeit dran, um durch sie hindurch zu sehen. Jetzt sind wir fern und ich beginne zu verstehen, dass das physische Leben Schmerz ist und nicht unter Kontrolle. Dass das, was ich jetzt fühle, abseits liegt, meiner menschlichen Rolle, für immer spricht. Liebe aus Licht und nicht aus Berührung oder körperlicher Nähe, weit weg von Sex oder Affäre. Und ich frage mich, wie viel heller die Liebe wohl strahle, wenn ich dir nahe wäre, dich auf der südlichen Hemisphäre zum ersten Mal umarme. Jetzt sind wir fern, damit ich mich dir nahe fühlen kann. Ich saß zu nah am Spiegel dran, um dich als mein Abbild zu erkennen. Ich beginne meine eigene Reflexion vom silbernen Vorhang abzutrennen. Ich beginne das, was dahinter liegt, zu benennen. Das innere Leben ist Freude, gebadet in endlosem Frieden. Egal was passiert, das Band zwischen uns ist gleich geblieben. Wir sind Menschen, die mit den Trieben ihrer Seele lieben. Thank you very much for listening. If you want to stay in touch with what I'm doing, you can check out my website, Write Alive. I sometimes write novels and I teach some yoga and tantra. Yeah, I send you lots of love, blessings, and I hope that we all can find peace in these very special times. Namaste.